Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. We're continuing our 12 shops of Bloor West Village, and today we are featuring the Coffee Tree. And with us is the manager, Rachel. Hi, Rachel.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much for being featured on one of our walks.
Thanks for having us.
So talk to us a little bit about the Coffee Tree, like what's the history, etc.
Yeah, Coffee Tree has been here in Bloor West Village for 33 years now. Susan is the owner-operator, has been in business this whole time. It's Toronto's first on-site roastery cafe, so we have our roaster right here in the window. We roast weekends, and our coffee is freshly roasted here.
And again, so I would say the coffee here is so fantastic. It's notorious throughout even other parts of Toronto. Like I said, I've been in Woodbridge and Oakville, Burlington, and people come all the way over there just to come get your coffee. That's how amazing it is. It's high for. So is it just coffee you serve here, or there's other specialty items you do? Yeah,
we have quite a lot of baked goods as well. We like to source things from local bakeries from Toronto. We also have really excellent breakfast sandwiches with organic bagels, free-range eggs, local ham, and also a delicious salsa from Jumbo Empanada in Kensington Market. We really like to work with other local businesses in Toronto.
I love that. You guys working together makes a great community. I think it's great. Mm-hmm. Now, it's getting close to Christmas time. Is there also like kind of specials you have?
We're working on some different Christmas bundles for you guys. We have some gift baskets prepared, some for coffee lovers and some for people that don't love coffee. If you like hot chocolate, we got you covered too.
That's great. So location, where are you located? Where else can we find you?
You can find us at 2412 Bloor Street West and on Instagram at Coffee Tree Roast or Facebook at Coffee Tree Roastery.
Guys, you've really got to stop by, especially if you're in the neighborhood walking by. You won't be disappointed. And tell them I sent you. Have a great day. And thank you so much again.
Thanks for having us.